Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to change your time zone and date in Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. Open Settings. You can do this clicking the Windows logo on the taskbar and then clicking on Settings. You can also search for Settings using the search bar. Choose Time and Language. The first thing we'll talk about is setting the time automatically. If you want to set your time automatically, click the Set Time Automatically button. Windows will then sync your time with the Microsoft Time server, ensuring it's always accurate. If the time zone doesn't connect to the server automatically, you can set your time manually. Let us set the time for you by unchecking the Automatically button, then you can change to manual time. Click the Change button to easily change the date, month, year, and time. The second thing we'll talk about is setting the time zone automatically. If you want to set your time automatically, click the Set Time Zone Automatically button. Now your time will be automatically set by connecting to the server. If the time zone is not automatically connected to the server, you can change your time zone manually. First, you need to uncheck the Time Zone Automatically button, then you can change to the manual time zone. You can pick a time zone of your choice from the drop-down list. That's it. You are good to go. Windows 10 also offers some additional settings related to time synchronization and automatic time zone adjustment. Now synchronize your clock. You can do this by clicking on Sync Now under the Synchronize Your Clock section. This ensures your computer's clock is in sync with the time servers. That concludes our tutorial for today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe for more quick tutorials and tech insights.